What's going on YouTube? Back again on another video. It's been a long time since I've posted because I've been going through some real ups and downs with this car. It is about a week now since I stripped the spur gear for this car, and it is no fault of mine. Actually, it is my fault actually, because I've been running all different types of tires as I've made videos on the type of tires that I've run on the car, and it finally, gave out. So at the end of the day, I'm just here trying new stuff. I bought another model, similar model MO5, so I could use the gear, the spare gear out of it, and also have some spare gears with spare parts for this car, because you'll never know. This car is starting to flip and those sort of things sometimes, but it comes with the tuning. So it is what it is. So as you can see, the car is also missing a back now. Cut out that and allow some more breeze to pass through. As if you can see, there is no intercooler accessory there. It's just straight breeze passing through and going straight through to cool. I upgraded the system to a 120 amp Esc, so say some serious power flowing through there. So that's just the most recent update to the car. Plus working on some suspension. I'm gonna change those shocks pretty soon, probably this weekend or next weekend, but working on that as well. The body is wearing and tearing on me right now. As you can see, it's going. That's why I'm spraying it in black. Also, the black looks pretty good still. Can't complain. We're working on some aerodynamics for the car now to really get it to at least 45 miles per hour. I've gotten it to 41, as I've always said, but I'm trying to up that. Yeah, trying to up that time, the mile per hour, and also get some better times on the 132. So I want you guys to stay tuned. I might be doing some speed runs today. I'm not sure. I might more than likely be doing it. Will I get the video? I'm not even certain as yet. But please stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also, turn on the post notification bell so you can know when I post. But this is the recent update to the car. Some people ask me, where has it been? There it is. That metal thing there going like a strap, like a, you could say. I use it also in the back too, and also at the front here. That is the aluminum thing there. I use it as a reinforcer for the gearbox. Seeing, so that is why you see it there. Yeah, so I use it other places around the car, as you can see. But trust me, it makes sure that the gears stay in place even though you have the screws. But the amount of power that I'm putting on the car, I put that there, just for extra protection. So you can call it a black guard, as people call it in a real life for cars or whatever. Anyways, so here's a walkthrough again. As I said, 120 amp Esc upgrade. Have some nice little settings in it that I'm gonna play with. So like, share, and subscribe, and look out for the speed run, guys. Stay tuned. Amp Esc, guys.